This has become the lame excuse that will no longer sail with the rakyat, even the hardcore supporters of the Pakatan Harapan government. It will no longer sail. If this is, the way for him to stay in power, to make changes, what changes we want? Is today letting the kleptocrat partially free the changes we want? Do we want a stable government that is compromised? What makes you think this is it? What makes you think that other convictions will not happen sama? What makes you think that the double standards in law will not perpetuate? If you can do it once, you have desecrated the system of justice. And if you desecrate it once, you can desecrate it many times. You only need to desecrate it once, and system of justice is gone. So therefore, what change can compensate the desecration of our system of justice? What change can compensate and outweigh the giving away of 160 million of the money that's rightfully to come back to our coffers after being whacked by billions by these blood-sucking predatory elites? Who is now complicit with the blood-sucking predatory elites? And therefore, these people need to stay in power to make what change? What change can come out of it? Because so far we've seen what changes there are. GST is going to go up, right? SST akan jadi 8%. Subsidi minyak akan remove. Electricity prices will go up. Water price will go up. Harga makanan tinggi. Taxes introduced. Low value tax, high value tax, property gains tax. Tax us all the way. Robin Hood. Remove subsidi. Harga mahal. These are the changes we've seen. Ringgit merundum. Ekonomi masih teruk. And everybody has to bite the bullet untuk bayar balik hutang negara, and that's why we have to pay. In the same breath, government and the Pardons Board give away 160,000 balik duit that's supposed to come to our coffers back to the thief that is responsible for the pilferages and the plundering of billions of our money. That is the change. He needs UMNO to do the change. UMNO and him is the same. UMNO has caused this change. He pandered and caved in to UMNO. So do we want that kind of change to UMNO? So to me, the only change we need is a change of government. I never thought the day would come I would say this. We need a change of government because we've been betrayed. Kena sekali, tak tahu. Kita betrayed. Kena dua kali, lembu. Are we lembu? VI memang kepala logo lembu pun. But do we become lembu? So to me, opposition is no better. Opposition is not even fit to be opposition. We need a third force. Come next election time, there will be a third force. There will be many that will come up because there is already a demand for third force. Rakyat nak third force. When there's a demand, there will be supply. Some in the government will come out to form that third force. Some in the opposition will come out to join that third force. Some of us yang bukan politicians will decide that we must get into politics in order to become that formidable third force. And that third force must uphold the ideals of the country in order to forge ahead with the required reforms and never again to compromise under any circumstance under the very text of stability, and we desecrate our system of justice and we make a mockery of our governance. We have become a laughing stock in the world. We are the pariah state in the world.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, Now, please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.